Uh, SSLC exam 2021 science important 100 MCQ questions. Okay, here uh, each kidney, question number 44, each kidney has a large number of filtration units. The filtration unit of a kidney is called nephron. You are given three media A, B and C of refractive index 1.33, 1.65, 1.46. The medium which travels the light faster is A. Okay. Which plant hormone promotes dormancy in seeds and buds? That is abscisic acid. Okay. Response of the plant root towards the water is called hydrotropism. The gap between the pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulse pass is called. That in between the two neurons there is a gap that is known as synapse. Light from the sun falling on a convex lens will converge at a point is called principal focus. Movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of the sun is due to the phototropism. Due to the sunlight, there is a movement that is known as phototropism. The movement of food in phloem is called translocation. Here, which environmental problem is associated with the construction of higher rise dams? It is all the above. Because large number of human settlements are submerged in the water, it contributes the deforestation and loss of biodiversity. It involves the spending of huge amount of money. All the above is the correct option. What are the three R's to save the environment? That is reduce, reuse and recycle. A option. The filament of electric bulb is made up of tungsten because its melting point is very high. The unit of electric current is ampere. Which plant hormone promotes the cell division? Cytokinin is the hormone which promotes the cell division. The main function of abscisic acid in plant is it inhibits the growth. Electric motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. The four resistance of 5 ohm are connected in series. Its equivalent resistance will be 20 ohm. Focal length of a convex lens is 2 meter. The power of lens will be plus 0.5 D. The functional group present in a propanol is aldehyde group, that is CHO. Detergent can be used for washing clothes both in soft and hard water. A molecule of ammonia has only single bond. Inside the magnet, the field lines moves from north to south. At the time of the short circuit, the current in the circuit increases heavily. The variable resistance is called rheostat. What is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Kilowatt hour. The unit of power of lens is diopter. Chlorine reacts with saturated hydrocarbons at the presence of sunlight. Oils on treating with hydrogen in the presence of palladium or nickel catalyst from fat. This is an example of addition reaction. The number of covalent bond in C4H10 is 13. The direction of the force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field is given by Fleming's left-hand rule. Splint slurry bio-waste after obtaining the biogas is used as a manure. Manure means it is used for the fertilizer.